Hey beauties, I hope you're all well. In today's video, we're gonna be checking out the new Revolution Pro Rockstar collection, the eyeliners. Revolution Pro was kind enough to send me a whole entire collection, which I'm super grateful for. I reviewed already the Noir Edition shadow palette. I haven't reviewed yet the Nude Edition shadow palette. Haven't even opened yet, so I have no idea how good or bad it is. We still got eyeliners in here. We have the liquid eyeliner called Rockstar Matte Liquid Eyeliner, which is supposed to be long wear, waterproof, and so on. And then we have these beautiful eyeliners. As you see, they are still packed, wrapped in this protective seal. As I want this to be like a proper first impressions review, I'm gonna do swatches as well. I've got 8 in total, 8 different shades. I think this is entire collection. So without any further ado, let's unwrap them all and do swatches and create makeup look with that. I really like the packaging. This like a shimmery packaging. I really love it. So I presume all the shades gonna be super metallic or super glittery, but then who knows. Let's try them all. Okay, so first one we're gonna swatch is rose gold. We have like a rubber sponge part in here, so I think this is for blending. So one side is that and another side is a pen, so this one is rose gold. That's not a good start. I just broke it. Just a warning, the liners are extremely super soft, super creamy, therefore it breaks super easy. Try and do the swatch gently. Okay, that's better. It's proper golden color though. Love this. I thought it's gonna be metallic shape, but it's not, but the cap on the top shows that it's not, it's matte. The burgundy, so the cap is metallic, so I presume it's gonna be metallic shade. Black with golden glitter. Let's try this rubber thing to see how we can blend this. Can do nice smoky eyes with that, you guys. Gonna start from priming my eyelids. Gonna use concealer and define as I always do. Quickly set it up with setting powder. As our base, I'm gonna use the Rockstar Noir Edition shadow palette. I'm gonna use the shade to start. I press the color into the outer corner and I'm blending slightly bit close to the lash line and into the crease, leaving the front empty like the inner eye corner to the middle. Taking the shade, I'm gonna go in eye corner using the same brush as you can see. I think we can start with this shimmery black shade. I'm going with this close to the lash line. Taking the liner brush and just blending this. I'm really tempted to add some blues. I'm gonna go with this blue shade. Going with this on the top of this liner. I'm not going all eye through, I'm just going outer corner, like where is the flick. The next thing I'm doing, I'm gonna go with this blue with kind of chunky line in here. Taking the shade Rose Gold, the one that I broke straight away when trying, and I'm going with this higher, like on the top of this line, just getting like some shimmer there. Taking this gold, I'm gonna go here. Using the same gold shade and kinda filling in this inner part. Okay, I'm gonna quickly apply these falsies. Alright, so I applied the lashes and I did my face, as you guys can see. I didn't film the part when applying my lashes because I just filmed and posted this video not a long time ago on how to apply these lashes. Let's finish off this makeup look. So I'm coming back to this Rockstar Noir Shadow palette. I'm gonna take this small brush and I'm gonna go with this shade that we used before. So I'm going with this all over my lower lash line. Tiny bit of golden shade as well. Kind of blending this together. Alright, now let's do the inner eye corner because I really want this to pop. So I'm coming back to this blue shade. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a tiny little brush, take some off, then go inner eye corner. Let's apply a little bit of mascara on lower lash line and we're done. And the makeup look is complete. What do you guys think? Yeah, what do you guys think of this makeup look? Honestly, was so easy to create. I didn't really know where I was going with it, I'm not gonna lie, as I do with every single makeup tutorial, to be honest. Like, I just go with the flow. These gel liners are super soft, very easy to blend, very easy to use. As you've seen, easy to draw line. If you want to go with precise line, you can just, you know, sharpen it or use the tiny precision brush like I did, or the eyeliner brush, you know, to help you out. Very easy to use. Honestly, I think this is easier than a liquid eyeliner would be, because with some liquid eyeliners, because it's liquid eyeliner, it tends to be a bit runny, like liquidy, if that makes sense. Therefore, this is easier to use if you use a special, like a precision brush, or, you know, like a eyeliner brush to sharpen up your line. Yeah, definitely recommend. Leave a comment down below, let me know if you enjoyed watching this video, if you prefer watching review videos and tutorials using these products rather than just the tutorial, or, you know, like makeup tips and tricks, what you prefer more. Leave a comment down below, let me know, so I'll make sure to film that kind of videos more. And if you enjoyed watching this video, as always, don't forget to press the thumbs up. Very, very important part. Hit the button to subscribe. Even more important part, also, is free. Everyone likes a freebie, right? Hit the bell icon so you guys get notification every time I post a new video. And I shall see you very, very soon. So thanks so much for watching and bye. Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao.